heart is a muscular organ that is in effect a pump. It's divided into two chambers, right and left. The division protects oxygen-rich blood from mixing with oxygen-poor blood. At a rate of about 100,000 beats a day, the heart pumps about 5 liters of blood and oxygen throughout the circulatory system via the blood vessels. Oxygen-poor blue blood returns to the heart after circulating through the body. The right side of the heart, composed of the right atrium and ventricle, collects and pumps the blood into the lungs through the pulmonary arteries. The lungs refresh the blood with a new supply of oxygen, turning it red. Oxygen-rich red blood then enters the left side of the heart, composed of the left atrium and ventricle. The blood is then pumped through the aorta, supplying blood throughout the body.